Hello students, welcome back to the online class. Today we are going to discuss a new topic, that is Boolean algebra. Okay, Boolean algebra. Boolean means what? First of all, you have to know what is actually Boolean. Boolean means what? True or false. Boolean means what? True or false. Okay, true means what? 1 and false means what? 0. Okay, now see, Boolean algebra is an algebra that deals with Boolean value, that is true or false. The decision which result into either yes or no is called a binary decisions. Okay, first of all you have to know what is actually Boolean algebra. Boolean algebra is an algebra deals with the Boolean value, means true or false. That is true or false. True means 1 and false means 0. And the decisions which result into either yes or no, yes means true and no means false, is called the binary decisions. It is developed by George Boole in 1854. So George Boole developed Boolean algebra in 1854. Now you can see, for example, say sometimes we require only two value, or sometimes we require only two possible value, either true or false. For example, tomorrow you will go to school or not? Yes or no? Should I use the calculator or not? Yes or no? So the answer will be true or false, nothing else. But some questions say like, what is your aim in life? There are many possibilities. Okay, now see, there is an example. Say, for example, say, should I use calculator in exam? Yes or no? Answer will be yes or no. Okay, but this is a what? This is a binary, or you can say Boolean statement. So binary is a Boolean statement. But if I say, what is your aim in life? So there are many possibilities, there are many answers. So this is not a Boolean statement. Okay, so this is the means what? This is called the Boolean algebra or Boolean statements. Okay, now see, in computer science, Boolean algebra is basically used in computer components. In computer components, say hard disk, the motherboard, all the chips are used. They basically use two values, or they basically known only two values, that is 1 or 0. 0 means false, 1 means true, means on and off. They understand only on and off. And, so that's why Boolean algebra is also called logical algebra or Boolean algebra. Okay, now see, in the book you can see a computer only understands that two things: on, off, positive, negative. Okay. Now, for example, say number 1, say Suresh will study well. This is what? This is a statement. This is what? This is a statement. This is a Boolean statement. Boolean statement. Here you can see there are two possibilities here. For example, say if the statement is, say it is a X statement, it is denoted as X. So there are two possibilities, either 1 or 0. Means what? Suresh will study well. If it is well, it is true. And if the Suresh is not studying well, means what? 0, false. Means true or false. Okay, there are two possibilities. It is X, 1 or 0. Okay, second statement, if I add one more statement, say for example y. Suresh study well. This is the first statement, first Boolean statement. If I add another statement, say Suresh will get 90%. So this is the second Boolean statement. Okay, this is the second Boolean statement, and this statement is generated as y. So there are four possibilities because why? X and y. X and y means number of variables is 2. Means what? 2 to the power n. Means what? 2 to the power here n means what? 2 is equal to 4. There are four possibilities in this case. So now you can see here. First things, Suresh will study well. If he study well means what? 1. But he will not get 90%. Means what? 0. Second possibility, Suresh will not study well. Means what? 0. But he will get 90%. Third possibility, Suresh will not study well. He is not studying well. Means what? False. 0. And also he will not get 90%. Means 0. And the last possibility is what? Suresh will study well. Yes, he is studying well. That is true. And also he will get 90%. That is 1. So this is the four possibilities of these two statements. So in this way we can arrange these things in a tabular format. This is called a binary table. Okay? Or you can say it is a truth table. Okay. Now next thing is what is actually logical operator. What is actually logical operator? Logical operator. In Boolean algebra, logical operator. In Boolean algebra, logical operator is very important. With the help of logical operator, we can create the Boolean value or Boolean statements. There are three types of logical operator. First one is not operator. Not operator. Second one is and operator, and third one is or operator. Okay, there are three operators in logical operator. It is so important. So let's understand each of the operator in details. Okay, now see, first one is what is not operator. Now the first logical operator is not operator. Okay, now you can see not operator is what? This operator operates on single variable, and the operation performed by not operator is known as complementation or negation or inversions. Means what? It is performed on a single variable. For example, say x and c. Now see, expression for not operator is f equal to x bar. So the expression is x bar. It is called bar. Okay, this is called bar. Okay, so x bar. Now you can see it is a single operator. Means what? If this operator is operated on single variable, means what? It's require only one operator or one variables to perform the functions. And also the operation performed by the not operator is known as complementations, negations or inversions. Means what? Complementation means what? Reverse the condition or reverse, opposite. Means what? The not operator reverse the original conditions. Okay? So the not operator is used to reverse the original conditions. There are two possibilities. If the expression x is 1, that is the output will be 0, and x is 0, then the output will be 1. Means what? It will reverse the original conditions, and the expression for not operator is generated as f equal to x bar. X bar means what? This means complement. Okay, so now see, truth table is not operator x 1 and f equal to x equal to 0, x bar equal to 0, and 0 means 1. Means what? If the expression is true, the answer will be false. If the expression is true, answer will be false. If the expression is false, answer will be true. Here you can see here where x is the input and f is the output of its operand. X is the input and f is the what? F is the output of its operations. So this is called NOT operator. NOT operator basically used to reverse the original conditions. Okay. Now next is OR operator. Now second logical operator is AND operator. Now see what is AND operator. The AND operator is a binary operator, means what? It requires two operands. So AND operator is a binary operator that operates on two or more than two variables, and the operations performed by the AND operator is known as logical multiplications. Means what? This symbol is used. The symbol used in AND operator is the dot symbol. Means what? The AND operator is a binary operator. Means what? It requires at least two variables. Two or more than two variables. Okay. Now see, and the symbol used in AND operator is the dot operator, means multiplications. It represents the variable, the operation which is performed by the AND operation is called the logical multiplications. Here you can see the truth table for AND operator. AND operator, you can see there are two variables x and y. Okay, now you can see in AND operator what happened. It returns true if both the expressions or both the variables value are true, either false. If one operation or if one variable is true, the other is false, then the output will be false. Means what? It returns true if both the expression or both the expression or both the statements are true, either otherwise false. Okay, now see first x. If x value is true, it is 1, and y value is false, the answer will be what? It is 0. If x value is 0, y value is true, then the answer will also again false. If x value is 1 and y value is 1, then definitely both the expression is true, then the output will be what? True. Again, if x is 0, y is 0, the answer will be definitely false. So this is the truth table for AND operator. Okay, this is a 2 to the power n operator. 2 to the power 2 means 4 combinations. Okay, if I say, for example, say 2 to the power 3 means 8 combination. If the variable is 3 variables, for example, x, y, z. Okay, x, y, z. Okay, now see, if I create a truth table for this purpose, then what happened? There are 8 possibilities. I can see what happened. One, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Okay. Okay. Now here you can see there are 3 variables, x, y, and z, and last one is x equal to x into y into z. Okay. Now see, the first value is what? You can see there is a shortcut for doing these things in truth table. How to arrange this table? Now see, if the value is 2 to the power 3 means 2 to the power 3 value means what? 8 combinations, 8 rows. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay. Now see, then what happened? If 8 is there, then what happened? First, this column, that is the x column, you will have divided the 8 divided by 2 means what? 4. Means first we have to give 4 0, and after that the 4 1. Okay, again the x value, so this y value, first double digit 0 0, then 1 1 0 0 1 1, and the last field, this Z field, we have to give the single value 0 1 0 1 0 1 0 1. Okay, now see the result. What happened? The result says that if both the, or maybe two or more possible values, if all the statements are true, then the answer will be true. Here you can see all the statement is what? 0 0 0. 0 0 means what? Means 0. 0 0 0 means a false false true, means what? Definitely false. Means if there is a false value first, then the result is definitely false. So that's why the first 4 value is 0, means what? The first value, the answer will be 0. Next 1 0 0 means true false false, means what? False. True false true means what? There is a false value, so means what? Definitely false. True true, but there is a false. Okay, so answer will be false. Last one is, you can see, true 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 means what? All the statements are what? All the variables are true, means the answer will be true. So in this way you can create the truth table for an operator. Okay, an operator means what? Again I say it is a binary operator which is used for, which is basically used for more than 2 values, 2 or more than 2 values, and the operation performed by the AND operator is called logical multiplications, and the symbol is used is dot operator, or you can say dot symbol. Now next thing is, we can go to the last part, is OR operator. The last logical operator we use in Boolean algebra is the OR operator. Okay, the OR operator. So OR operator means what? The OR operator is also a binary operator, that is, it operates 2 or more than 2 variables, and the operation performed by the OR operator is known as logical additions. Means what? It is also a binary operator. It requires 2 or more than 2 variables. At least it requires 2 variables. Okay, the symbol used in OR operator is the plus symbol, means the addition symbol. Okay, now see, in a truth table OR, you can see there are 2 variables x and y. Okay, if the x value is 1, it is true. If y value is false, means what? It is true. Now you can see the OR operator means what? It returns true if either one expression or one statement is true. Or you can say, if either one expression x or y is true, then the output will be 1, that is true. Okay, now you can see, if the expression, that is x is true, y is false, the answer is what? If either one expression is true, then it returns true, means what? One expression is already true, means what? It is true. Next, if x is false, y is true, definitely true. If x is true, y is true, definitely the value is, result is true. The last one is, if x value is false, y value is false, then the answer will be false. Only one condition, the answer will be false, if both the conditions are false or both the statements are false. Okay, now this is the truth table for this to the power n variables. Okay, means to the power 2 variables, means 4 combinations. If I draw another table, truth table is 2 to the power 3, means 2 to the power 3 means what? 8, means 8 combinations. Okay, now see here x, y and z, and f equal to x plus y plus z. Now see, again here same condition is, same possibilities is here, same rules is here. If either one expression or one value is true, the answer will be true. Now see, first one, 0 0 0 means what? All the values are 0, means what? Definitely 0. Okay, Next is x is 0, y is 0 and z is 1. Means what? 1. If either one condition is true, the answer will be true. Again see, false, true, false means true. False, true, true, true. True, false, false. Definitely true. True, false, true. True. True, true, false means true. And the last one is true, true, true means the answer will be true. Only one condition is all the values are 0, the answer will be false. This is called the OR operator. Okay. Now in operator, it is the symbol is used is the plus symbols. F equal to x plus y plus z. X, y, z are the variables. F is the output. Okay. Now in this way you can arrange the truth table and the result will be given in a tabular form. So this is the logical operator used in Boolean algebra. Now next thing is what is tautology and what is fallacy. Okay, first we have to know what is tautology. Tautology means what? If the result of any logical statements or expression is always true, means that is one, it is called tautology. Means if the any logical statements is always true, for example say okay, for example say this is a OR operator, x and y and f equal to x plus y. Okay, this is the OR operator. What happened in OR operator? What happened? 0 1 1 1 0 1 1 1 1 0 0 0. Means what? You can see here, if the result of any logical statement or expression is always true, means what? You can see here 0 1 1 1 0 1 1 1 1. So here you can see the three statements, the three values are always 1 because they are what? In our operator what? If either one expression is true, then the answer will be true. That's why all three, the first three rows are always true. That's why it is called tautology. Means what? If the result of any logical statement or expression is always true, and it is called tautology. Next is falsy. If the result of any logical statements or expression is always false, it is 0, so it is called falsy. For example, same thing x and y, but I am using here an operator. It is x dot y. Now here the condition is reversed. Here what happened? In an operator what happened? Both the conditions should be true. If both the conditions are true, then the answer will be true. Here you can see 0 1 0 0 1 0 1 0 0 1 1 1 1. Here you can say right 0 0 1 1 0 0 0 1 1 1. Means the first three rows always the expression is false because both the expressions should be true, but here only one expression is true, another expression is false. So that's why the answer will be false. But the last expression is true, that's why it is true. So that's why it is called a falsy. These three statements are called falsy because if the result of any logical statement or expression is always false, it is 0, it is called falsy. Okay. So I hope you understand these things. What is Boolean algebra and what is logical operator used in Boolean algebra. So I think you have understand these things. If you have any problem, please do comment me. Okay. Thank you for watching this video. Okay. Again I say, last thing I am to say that stay at home and be safe. Thank you everybody. Have a nice day. Thank you.